I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to stop showing next word recommendations inline while you type on your Apple iPhone or iPad. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad and then tap General. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Keyboard. The keyboard's menu is displayed. Step 3. Navigate down to the All Keyboards section and then tap to toggle off Show Predictions Inline. Going forward, you'll no longer see next word recommendations inline as you type on your iPhone or iPad. However, you will still see next word recommendations at the top of the keyboard. If you want to disable next word recommendations entirely, you can do that by toggling off Predictive Text. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.